Hello. UFE 3.0 is officially live now, and now we are more aligned with Shopify. So, in this video, I will walk you through how to access UFE 3.0 and how to set up an offer step by step. So, this is the UFE dashboard, and here you can see that the analytics, funnels, settings, everything is there in the sidebar menu. And also, you might have noticed there are two buttons right here, View Legacy UFE and View Funnels. So when you click on View Legacy UFE, you will be directed to the UFE 2.0 interface, which is the previous one. So it is like this, and here we are creating offers previously. So here, when we click on Create Funnel, we have to select the trigger product. Then next step is we need to choose any particular page. Then we are adding the widget and adding again and the choosing the offer. I mean, which type of widget we need, and everything is choosing right here like that. So previous interface, previous one is based on mainly focusing on pages. But in new design, we are focusing more on offers. That is what the difference. So there is a clear UI difference here. So, and one more thing, when we click on app, but that is when we are opening the UFE, it is opening as a new tab. Now onwards, in the new design, you can see that the app is opening inside the Shopify itself. So, which means we have embedded it into Shopify. So here is the new interface. So when I click on View Funnels, it comes to this particular interface. So from here, we are going to create the funnel. So this process is everything is same, that is creating funnel, adding offer, but we have minimized the steps. So when we click on Create Funnel right here, it will like this. That is, we are proceeding with 3 steps. So in the first step, we are choosing the trigger product, and I'm choosing it as all products, that is show offer to all products. Then click on next. Here we are setting up the offer. So create offer, choose this product recommendation, then choose which type of offer you want, then click on next. And here you can choose the style, behavior, widget placement, everything can be set here. Just complete this setup. So right here, you can see that what all things you have selected right here. And now we need to choose the offer product. And select the product, select it. Then if you want to add another offer to this particular page, click on Add Offer. And here we have downsell and A/B test option. Click here. You can create downsell and create the test. So both is right here. If you want any other settings like design, any change in design, you can done it inside the design. Translation, to change the text inside the translation. Position, we can set it inside the position. So everything is same as the previous. And here the summary section. So this is something different from the other one. That is, the summary means there is a quick overview. What all things you have set inside this particular funnel, just a quick overview. That is how we just create the offer. Now click on Save and Next. And here comes the last summary. That is the last step, which mentions the journey of the particular customer. That is how the customer begins the journey and what all things they have set up inside the particular pages, and that is provided right here. So once it's complete, click on Publish. See, now the funnel is live. So with these 3 steps, we have activate the funnel. So that is how we have created the offer inside UFE 3.0. And if you want to see the dashboard, click on Analytics. And if you want to go to the global settings, you can click on Settings. All those are things right here. So you might feel like, okay, this looks new, but what else, right? So let me tell you something, that this is just a foundation, and behind the scenes, something powerful features are already in progress. So let me tell this is just a beginning. So stay tuned. And also one more note is, like, If you find any issues or any confusions regarding the setup, you can connect with our support team. They are happy to help you. So thank you for watching this video. Have a nice day.